Welcome to the Alto Materials Digitalization Platform, or AMAD. In this short video, we'll explore what is AMAD and how it transforms research workflow and innovates data collaboration. First of all, what is AMAD? AMAD is an innovative digital research platform for material sciences, focusing on data and collaboration. With AMAD, you can digitally transform your research workflow by creating your electronic notebooks and incorporate, process, and visualize your data. Now, you may ask, what is the purpose of AMAD? It's simple: to connect academia, industry, government, and society to advance materials design and development. By doing so, different stakeholders can benefit from open science. Then, what are the main benefits for researchers? First of all, AMAD makes communication within a group much easier. It centralizes data, making it easier to understand and work with. Next, AMAD integrates data sharing with machine learning. For example, researchers upload experimental data to AMAD, where collaborators can apply machine learning to guide further experiments. Furthermore, researchers can automate complex calculations and processes, streamlining their workflows and enhancing productivity. Finally, AMAD is secure, reliable, and constantly evolving based on your feedback. AMAD is maintained by Alto IT Services, so please contact our team at amad@alto.fi for support and inquiries. Thank you for joining us on this video. With AMAD, let's advance materials science and beyond.